From a live web page to a structured dataset, Minexa.ai compresses days of engineering work into minutes with just a few clicks or an API call to scrape SaaS product listings efficiently. Browse to the alternative.to page you want to extract data from, and Minexa.ai will work on any public URL, no matter how complex the site is. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension to get started. No setup needed, just open it and Minexa.ai gets to work immediately. Click the violet button labeled I'm on the right page so Minexa.ai can analyze the page structure and detect the SaaS product listings automatically. Minexa.ai automatically detects how pagination works and applies this navigation logic on every future run to keep your data extraction consistent. Choose whether to scrape only the results list or to include each individual detail page for deeper data extraction. Start by clicking Continue. Switch to Advanced mode if you need to interact with the page to reveal hidden data before scraping. Minexa.ai highlights the section of the page it has identified as containing the data to extract. Confirming this ensures all future scrapes focus on the correct data area. Now, Minexa.ai has identified all relevant data points for scraping multiple SaaS sales and CRM listings. You can select the exact fields you want to keep for consistent results every run. Developers can click the API request button to get Python code that interacts with the page before scraping, useful when data requires clicks or other actions to appear. Validate your selections and click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and finalize the setup. Minexa.ai has automatically detected the Next Page button for pagination. If no pagination applies, simply continue to proceed with scraping all available data. Confirm your scraping job settings. You can set the frequency if you want to schedule regular data updates before completing the setup. Click Run to start extracting data. Each field is pulled from precisely mapped selectors, ensuring consistent column-level data extraction across every page. This dataset looks the same every time it runs, giving you reliable outputs for SaaS product names, pricing, vendors, and CRM features. It's perfect for automated pipelines or scheduled jobs needing consistent data. Click Export to download your dataset. Every value is pulled from the exact spot on the page, ensuring no errors or invented data. This is what Minexa.ai does. It turns any website into a clean, structured dataset in minutes, with no code or setup needed, letting you focus on using your data.